Oh, I did another frequency sweep, the overheads, and to much of my surprise, I thought, sounds a little bit odd. Why is it buzzing? Yeah, well, yeah, that's totally what's it. It's not, you know, it's just this is deteriorated. That was another bass driver I put in there years ago just for backup. So I got the other one down there, the other JBL, so I've got to take this, undo that, fit that in. Just come to think of it, let's just put that down there for a second. Yeah, that one's okay because I put a rubber one on there. I just probably haven't changed it over when I did it a few years ago. I think these ones there I got a rubber one on. Except for the ones at the back, I think they got to be changed, but I think they're still a-okay. Yeah, they're still okay. I think those are rubber ones. I'm not too sure. Yeah, I put rubber ones on there as well, and probably that one most likely. So I just got to do a bit of maintenance. Surprised I didn't notice it with the pink noise but of course pink noise that plays over the Denon is narrowband frequency, so nah, there's no way I would have noticed. Put a frequency sweep through it, or a sine wave, or a let's just play a sine wave. That's 49 hertz. It makes that sound. So yeah, I'll change that out.